So welcome back, guys. So right now I've created the content like I told you we are going to do. So I generated all the clips, and you can see right here we've done the basic things. But right now I want to tidy up my video after I've generated the clips and I made them rhyme with the audio and everything. So right now I want to bring it all together. So I want to add a subtitle. I'm going to use the text to create auto caption. Then I'm going to be able to create auto caption this way. So the caption gives it a subtitle. So when people are watching, they get to see the text being said. So that is this. So we're going to compile all this together. We're going to turn it to a video. After we've joined all the clips together, you could remember vividly that I used Gemini and Grok. Then I used Google Vid. So these are the tools we use to generate the visuals, and I showed you how you can generate visuals for each sentences and how you can generate visuals for a scenario. So that is what I did basically, and here I am with the full content. So I'm trying to generate captions right now for this video. So once I'm able to generate captions, I'll now show you that method I told you to go and watch on YouTube. I'm going to show you that method on how you can use CapCut to export your pro features without having to subscribe or paying a dime for subscription. So I'm going to show you all those tricks while I wait for this to generate the captions. And after generating the captions, we're going to be able to choose a template for the caption we generated. Then we're going to be able to export what we did. So right now I have my caption, and when you look at
Imagine
it,
it's 1960.
so you see that I have a caption, but I need to use a template for the caption I have. So I'm going to come to template right here to look for a template that could go with this. So I want to use something like this. As you could see, anything you see this diamond kind of pyramid, it means premium. Yes, it means premium, but we're going to use this without having to pay for the premium. So let's see what we have.
Before, you're 6 years old. Your father just died. You're not in a classroom. You're on the scorching streets of Plateau State. Your job? Selling akara to help your mother survive. Most people see a street hawker.
Yeah, perfect. So what we want to do now is to make sure our clip, I'm going to use Ctrl A to highlight everything. Then I'm going to make sure I create a compound clip from it. Yes, if you've watched the tutorial I told you to watch on YouTube, you understand what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to have this. So I have it clipped, and what I want to do now is to pre-process my compound clip. So I'm going to pre-process my compound clip. So this is pre-processing already. We have 0% so far. So I'm going to wait for this pre-processing to get to 100%. Then we can do what we want to do so that we can export what we have right now. So now I have it pre-processed already. So the next thing I want to do is locate the file after it has been pre-processed. So yes, we have the compound file. Then I want to import the new file. If you watch the video, like I said, you understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to come right here to check for CapCut Pro. Then I'm going to come to my CapCut draft. Then I'm going to come right here to my resources. Then I'm going to come to combination. There, here in combination, I have to make sure video is the video dot alpha. Yes, so I have to make sure it's this. So I'm going to bring in this. So here it is, and we have this right here. So we have the video right here. Okay, sorry, not the video dot alpha. I have to bring in the video, not the video dot alpha, just the video, not video dot alpha. So I'm going to bring in the video, and here we have the video. Then I have to take this out. This initial one, I have to take it out. Then we have this. So right now I'm good to export this because I've been able to do that. So I'm going to export it right now, and having to export it right now, I'm going to be able to create a thumbnail. I can create a thumbnail from this. So let's say I want to edit and create a thumbnail from this. So let's see how that would come to play. So let's see. I'm just looking for, okay. So let's have something like this. Okay, what I could do before trying to do this, what I could do is to make sure. Okay, so let me try to export this and let me edit the cover so I could get a cover from this. So let's see. Okay, I think I kind of love what I saw now. Okay, I think this is perfect. Okay, we can have something like this. Let me just edit the cover. So once I edit the cover, so let me edit this cover. I'm going to just try to upload what to bring in right here. So let me upload something right now. So I want to upload. So let me come right here to upload a cover. So let's say I want, let's see, let's use upload. I want to upload. So I'm going to use this icon to upload. Then I'm going to come to my document and I'm going to come to business now just to see what I could upload. So let's see what we could upload right now. So I have this. So let me bring in something like this and see if that could be uploaded. So I'm going to bring in this right now and here I am. So I'm going to extend this a little bit. Okay, which is perfect. So we have something like this. I think this would suffice. So I'm going to go ahead with this. I'm going to save and having to save right now. That will be our thumbnail. That will be the thumbnail for this video. So what I have to do now is to export directly. So I'll export and what I have as the title. So I'm going to export this right away. So let me export this Google document. I have a name I prepared for this already. So let me get that name out. I have a YouTube title. So let me get that name out or video title so that we can have the right video title. So here it is and we have the main document right here. So we have the main document right here and we have this. So we have this right now, which says the boy who sold Akara to build an empire. Okay. So while we do this, we're going to have his name. We're going to have his name in the title as well. So let me just do this and let me see what's the full name. So his name is Cosmas Maduka. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to input this to Cosmos Maduka. So this would actually portray the full video. So all I have to do is to export this right now. So I'm going to export it and having to export it, we'll be able to use it on LinkedIn right away with a caption. So we could have a caption. So I would say create a caption for this story, create a LinkedIn video caption for this story. So let's have the caption right now. And while we are trying to have that, this is being exported right away. So we're going to have our caption right now. So let me get the caption. So it says, imagine being a 6 years old and we have all this. So we're going to just have all this copied for, yes, we're going to have it copied for LinkedIn that we can edit after we have the main story being exported, which is what we are doing right now. So now we have the video exported already and we are done with this. So I could try to upload our video. So when you come to download right here, you see the video right away. So this is the video we just made and right now it can be uploaded on LinkedIn. So let's go to LinkedIn now to upload. So I'm going to come right here. We have the caption already. So I'm going to come right here to create a video content. So let me start a post right away. And having to start a post, let me use the add media to upload the video here on LinkedIn. So here we have the video right now and having to have the video right now. I'm going to upload it. Then this is it being uploaded. Then I can have it next, and here we have the video. Then I can paste the caption. So the caption can be edited now. So imagine being 6 years old, standing, yes, crying. So yes, we have most people see in this video. Okay, in this video, in this video. So in this video, we dive we looked into we narrated the incredible journey. Yes, so it's going to be we narrated the incredible journey of the founder of Koshai's group. Yes, so we say a man who transformed a 200 miles settlement into a global conglomerate. Okay, so this isn't just a success story, and it's going to be Igbo boy. Yes, spirit of Igbo boy. Yeah. So three lessons every entrepreneur can learn from Cosmos Maduka. So we have this as one. Trust is your primary capital. Yes. The power of pivots. Yes. Systems over survivor. Yes. The reality, your starting point doesn't define your finish line. Whether you're vibe coding in new SaaS or working in traffic, the principles of consistency and vision remain the same. Okay, so watch the full narrated story, narrated story below. So this will be a perfect yes. So below, so I'm going to have just one hashtag, which is business snob. Okay, so we have this right now, and so we're going to proceed to post this. So right now, I want to have it scheduled for later, which is the second day of our post, which will be February 2nd. So I'm going to have February the 3rd. I've posted for the 2nd. So this will be February the 3rd. And the time should be morning somewhat around 11 a.m. Then we can next this. So now I'm going to schedule this for later. So we have a post right now. That will be our second post. Then I'm going to schedule it for later. So that's how to create a video content for your LinkedIn page or for brands, for company. So you've gotten the idea around creating a video content. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.